If you're big on adventure, would the BMW R1200 GS be the right choice for your biggest adventure? Now in India, I think not. If you ask me, the best part of BMW's GS family, the mid-section, was missing when the Motorrad family first came to India, and is finally here in the form of the F750 and the F850 GS motorcycles. These were the F700 and the F800 earlier, but these are all new now. New chassis, new engine, new geometry, new electronics, and well, just better equipped than before. Most importantly, BMW say the ergonomics, the changes to the chassis, the engine, which have made it lighter, have made it more comfortable and better off-road as well. The engine, most importantly, is now an 853cc engine, 77 PS on the F750, about 95 PS on the F850, right? So these two motorcycles, very similar to look at, same engine, slightly different state of tune, but which one is the right one for you? Well, the big difference between the two motorcycles is the smaller details. For instance, if you look at the rims, that one's got alloys, this one's got spoke. The seat height on this one is 860 millimeters, and on that it's 815. So if you're somebody who's more interested in touring, doesn't really want to go off-road all that much, the F750 would be just fine. And of course, if you're a shorter rider like me, that would definitely feel more comfortable. But if you want to really bang up some of those dust trails, then the F850 with its spoke wheels, its larger front wheel, and its just more off-road oriented setup would work a lot better for that kind of riding. And well, that aside, you'd get a lot more equipment as standard now on these motorcycles, like full LED headlamps. So they're just much better kit. And the F850 comes in at about 13.5 lakh rupees, whereas the F750 is 12.2 lakh rupees. So both these motorcycles, for what they offer, if you're a serious guy who wants to muck about in the wild, these would be really sweet. So why would we pick this over that? Well, unless you happen to be a pro rider, lighter and tighter, it's always better.